What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay with Shooter Touch Films, and I'm back with another one. What's going on, man? It's your boy Jay, Shooter Touch Films. It's been a minute. I know. It always be a little break in between, man. Sometimes it be downtime, but in that downtime, I gotta just stay consistent. So forgive me, forgive my heart. But we off in Alabama right now. We are executing a utility project, a compliance project. So pretty much inspecting the power poles, a specific shot sheet. I ain't gonna lie, I was here last week for like 3 days, well 2.5 days. And I was a little discouraged, man, cause you know, me personally, I like to move. I like to move. But sometimes good things take time. And really, truthfully, any new project that you start, it's always gonna be some bullshit involved. So just found out I just had to do a lot of maneuvering and really just find my flow. Again, it's something new. So I just had to find my rhythm. We are flying the Matrice 4E. Not a rental. I should have rented, but with this, all this maneuvering that I'm doing, I'm kind of glad I got my own. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we flying the Matrice 4 Enterprise. We got the RC controller, and we just getting to it, man. I didn't think it was possible to again, the beginning is always rough, which, you know what I'm saying, I done come to realization, even with telecom. Sometimes you go to a new market, it's always some bullshit within at least the first 3 days. So yesterday, man, we ended up, so the first 3 days I ended up getting like 65 the first couple days, and that took damn near, shit, really, those 2 days took all day, because you gotta get shots on the pole, and then you gotta get specific shots on the mid span, like going in between poles to the next pole. So yeah, 65 both days, a full day. And then those 2 days, I ain't gonna lie, it discouraged me. But you know, as a man, as a black man, you just gotta keep pushing, man. And you know, you gotta just push yourself to want to get better every day. So that Friday, I started at maybe like 8, and by 12:45, 1 o'clock, I ended up doing I had 55 done. So that just let me know that, oh yeah, it's possible. You just gotta, you know what I'm saying, just lock in, find your flow, and everything gonna be all right. So I got here, Monday? Yeah, I got here Monday. I had a few reflies from the first day, which I expected. Got here Monday, did some reflies, ended up raining. Got up yesterday. No. I was home Monday. Got up here Tuesday. The reflies started raining. Yesterday it rained until about maybe say 8:30, 9 a.m. I had to finish my reflies. I'm finishing some now. I just wanted to get some work in yesterday. Finished some refly. I got like 12. You know what I'm saying? Not difficult shots. Did some reflies, and then yesterday I ended up starting around 11 o'clock, and 11 till about 6:30, 6:45, just grinding. You know what I mean? No hard. Only thing I was sweating from was sitting in the car. I ended up getting like 106. So that just let me know, okay. And that was at 11 o'clock. So just imagine if I start at 7. You know what I mean? Like a 7 to 7, a full 12-hour day. Then they're going to get like 150, 175. So again, $8 a pole. So just do the math. But yeah, man, we're going to get started. Make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you comment. And again, between utilities and telecom, it's the real bread maker, the real bread winner. So we're going to go ahead and get this launched. I got a mid span to hit right here. It's like 12 little things that was done, but I guess their system didn't detect, which it is what it is. I ain't gonna argue. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and then just start, you know what I mean, where I left off from yesterday. And again, the goal is to hit if I started at 11 yesterday and it's 7:14, the goal is to hit 150 nonetheless. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And when I start my inspection, then I'm gonna go to screen record to show y'all where I can get like 11 or 10 or 11 in a battery. Let's go. How y'all like my new whip, man? As y'all can see, man, I'm part of the Ramily now. So big horn. We got the 5.7 V8, crystal granite, metallic, whatever it is, gun smoke. We got the 12-inch screen in. Let a few checks go to rolling in, man. I'm gonna get that level lift kit. You know what I mean? And it came with the tent, but I'm thinking about getting it darker. Maybe tint my windshield. Roomy though, man. I love it. It came with the flow mats. You know what I'm saying? The rubber. We good. With this type of work, you have to always be connected to RTK. Either have a puck or you can use your phone. I don't know. I think I left my puck at home. Hoping I ain't leaving in the last rental car. But yeah, I just been using my phone. Okay, so we gotta go. Right there, the pole back, but the mid span. So about right here. So you have to have the RTK on at all times, and also the rangefinder, because they want to know as far as the lines and stuff. But yeah, man, discouragement is gonna happen, but you can't get too discouraged to the point that you want to quit. Never quit. Just figure it out. And that's like always been my motto. And I try to teach my son that, like, stuff gonna get hard, but you just gotta make it easy. You know what I mean? And that's with anything. Like, find your flow, find a consistent flow, and you're gonna be all right, man. That's how it always be. It feels easy, everybody would do it. I forgot to put the deodorant in my luggage. So it's in my cooler. Don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me. Alright, so got that first little refly done, or correction. Let's go ahead and mark that. So yeah, man, just push yourself, man. I damn sure was contemplating leaving. I ain't gonna lie. Because with telecom, it's like you can make, I can make, you know, if I was to do 110, 120, I could make 1,000 in less hour and less time. But it's supposed to be like, you know, a few different phases, so the money's supposed to be there and it's consistent, you know what I'm saying? So not gonna make a big deal out of it. Okay, so we got this mid span right here. Park over there. And I had it messed up, man. I had recorded to try to like help another pilot out, but I had got a clear understanding from one of the guys that with the mid span, because my whole thing was I thought it was you had to focus in on the wires, but the main purpose of it is so the range finder, like the laser, can be on the wires and get you know, the distance from the drone and, like, I guess the vegetation. But yeah, let me knock out this other mid span real quick. Also, another great thing about this car, we do have the outlet. So if my Power 1000 was to go dead, I can just hook my, damn, I left the hub thing though, but I could just hook I could charge my Power 1000 in the car if it was to go dead. So that's right there. That pole right, do a sky shot. Turn on that range. See, this like the middle right here. So yeah, just like in Cali, man, hey, I don't have to get out the car unless it's very necessary. Done with that one. Hey, and another thing, I thought Alabama was gonna be terrible, like as far as the people. But I ain't gonna lie. Maybe they think I play football or something, but all these people been nice to me. I thought it was gonna be like some real BS and like some real racist stuff going on, but all these people been nice to me. I've been on the side of the road. I had a few people come stop and talk to me just to make sure, you know, everything was good, like I was good. Alabama, y'all all right with me? All right, so I done did pretty much all of my reflies. I had 3, but I'll probably just get those later when I get my pup, my hotspot pup, because my service was very, very trash over there. So I didn't have no service, so I couldn't get them. But I done knocked out my first, like, my first 11 or whatnot, and yeah, about to finish this up, and then I'm gonna screen record a strip. Well, let's see. It's only, I gotta do a mid span here. And then 3 poles. Just get out the way. Let me do these. I screen record these 3 or 4. Really 3. About to get to it. So it should be by charge. Let me see, man. I wanna see if this is actually gonna charge. Let's test you out, Ram. Jace with this damn cotton candy. Y'all didn't see that. Alright. Let's plug this up. We gon' idle for these few. I just want to see if it's gonna actually charge. So that way, cause I ran out of battery yesterday. Well, I ran out of charge. Alright, so that was really like 6 on the battery, like including the mid spans. So now we ended off with like 67% battery. So we should be able to get at least, 10. Yo, what's going on, man? We back. Ended up doing 102 today. Way less than I anticipated, but you know, it's stuff that occur in between. So ended up finishing my reflies. Wasted some time trying to get internet for my RTK. Was in a dead zone. So ended up going back. I missed like 17 yesterday because I thought everything was in the line versus, you know, veering off to the left or to the right. So started there, and then just maneuvering and driving and trees and yeah, a lot of vegetation. No excuses though. You know what I'm saying? But you know, things do occur. So yeah, man, we back at it tomorrow. Now, if you like videos like this, man, make sure you follow me on all social medias at Shooters Touch Films. Right here on YouTube as well. And appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that link in my bio. We out.